Hi, we're here today to talk about performance fabrics and specifically about Crypton, and I'm going to tell you why Crypton is such a great product on the market. First of all, it's chemical free. It is not dipped in anything. It's odor resistant. It will not smell like your stinky dog after he's taken a nap. It is stain resistant. You can get a lot of stains out of it, and it repels liquids, which is huge. So today we're going to talk about some different aspects and different stains you can get out. So first of all, it is not a chemical. It's not dipped in anything. What's great about Crypton is at the time it is manufactured, because of the type of fibers it has, it is engineered into the fabric as it is made. But Crypton will come in velvets. It will come in fine chenilles. It'll come in linens. So it comes in all different types of different piles and cuts and textures, but it has this great engineering woven in, which makes it the perfect performance fabric to use on your furniture. So I want to show you how water resistant Crypton is right now. So I have in here a cup of black coffee. I'm going to pour it on, and actually you can see the liquid wriggles around. You take a paper towel, you dab it, the stain is gone. But let's say there is a residue, it didn't all come out. Take a tablespoon of Tide, mix it into a quart of water, and you soak a wet rag in there and it will wipe right off. So many times people come in and they say, oh, Crypton is just like Sunbrella. Crypton is nothing like Sunbrella. The difference between Crypton and Sunbrella is one, Sunbrella is dipped. It also has a fade resistance, so it takes a longer time for your colors to fade on your fabric. With Crypton, there is no fade resistant. It is not protected against UVs. Sunbrella, you can use bleach to clean it. You cannot put bleach on your Crypton fabric. But Crypton has come out with a new outdoor Crypton, and that will give you the fade resistant that you need outside. Everybody nowadays is looking for a green product. We're all concerned about what is coming in our home and what is off-gassing. Crypton is your greenest product out there, and what makes it green is because, again, it is not dipped in any chemical. It is chemical free. But let's say you really have severe environmental allergies. They have a line that's even greener, and they have removed all the heavy metals from their fibers and their dyes. So if you're like me and have 3 boys and a very big lab and you want beautiful white sofas that can resist stains and germs and is green in your home, Crypton is the way to go. It is one of the greenest products out there today, and it is awesome for durability and cleanability. I hope this clears up any questions you have about Crypton, and if you do have further questions or would love to see a demo, please come into any Circle Furniture and we'll be glad to show you. Please click and subscribe.